Google Meet gives you the ability to have live stream sessions. These live on-air video sessions allow you to present content and communicate with the world without anyone else being able to interact with the session. You are essentially presenting to whomever you invite to join. To create a live stream, we need to begin in Google Calendar. Click on the Create button and give your live stream a title. Then click on More Options. Here, we're going to select the date and time for our live stream. Now we can add the live stream by clicking on Add Conferencing and selecting Hangouts Meet. Click the drop-down to add a live stream. The easiest way to share access to your live stream is with a link. Click here to copy the stream link and then select Save. I'm going to share the link to my live stream as a simple announcement within Google Classroom. Now students will know to click on this link on Monday at 1 p.m. to view the live stream event. When the time comes and you're ready to begin the stream, go back into Google Calendar. Click on the event and select Join Hangouts Meet. Then click on the Join Now button. When you're ready to go live, click on the Start Streaming button at the top of the screen, and then confirm that you want to start the stream. You'll know when you're live because you'll see the red button in the top left-hand corner of the screen. While you're streaming, you can add closed captions that are automatically generated as you speak. You can present your screen or a Chrome browser tab, and access a variety of other options through the three-dot menu in the bottom right-hand corner, including the ability to record the live stream meeting to share later on.